What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today we're going to talk about the truth about Google Ads. The truth is, it's very simple. Most people that have run Google Ads have been burned by it. And the reason I'm doing this video is I'm actually in my backyard grilling right now, and it made me think of it as I'm sitting here burning my steak. The reality is most people that have run Google Ads have run them ineffectively, have used Google Ad support, have used other agencies, and just haven't gotten good results, and it leaves a bad taste in a lot of people's mouths. And that's the reality of Google Ads. I'd say a small fraction of people that are running Google Ads are running them effectively and knocking it out of the park and growing their business with it, while the majority is running them ineffectively, either themselves just scraping by, not doing well, running with an agency that's not really effective, or unfortunately probably using Google Ad support and it's just not working very well. So that's the reality. Most people doing this aren't doing it correctly, and most people are getting burned by the process. So if you'd like some help, this channel is built for that. There is tons of free resources on here to teach you how to properly manage Google Ad campaigns, how to set them up with the fundamentals, the correct blocking and tackling, the stuff that's going to put you off on the right foot. We have courses as well, and then we have management services. So if you're running Google Ads and you're struggling and it's just not working well, or if you're an agency and it's not working well, hit us up. We've got resources that can help, and on this channel there's 1,000+ videos that you could go through that'll help you. So hope this helps. Again, Ed here from ClicksGeek. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.